So life hack 1 million. Last night I turned off just about everything except for the refrigerator and the nightlight you see. And I turned up the ventless heater to 2. And it's pretty cozy in here, pretty toasty. As you can see, my little fan here is running there. Let's see. And it's 74 degrees inside and 52 outside. So, a little tinkering. Batteries ran pretty decently all night long last night. Didn't even have to pull from the house. So no external power was used. So, as you can see, it's pretty dark on video, but the sun is coming up. Just came up, and I'm already getting solar power. Woohoo!